Welcome to this instruction video on DrawSoft Field, and in this video I'll be talking about how to import collection codes from CSV files and from text files. So the collection codes are codes that you use to describe points. These are survey points that you are collecting. So these points are usually used when you are doing a topographical survey, and these codes and their description describe the point which you are collecting. For example, if that point represents a tree, if that point represents a corner of a building, if that point represents a fire hydrant, and things like that. So I'll be going through how you do that import of those collection points. So another thing I've done is that I have prepared some data as a sample. So this is an example of collection points that are in the CSV file. So as you can see, this first column here, this is the code, and the second column is the description of that code. So in this example, TR is the code for a tree, and just like that, FH is the code for a fire hydrant. So this is the example of a CSV file. Okay, I'm going to minimize that, and then I'm going to bring up the text file. So they're more or less they're the same. The difference is just the file that they're saved as. So that other one's a CSV file, and the other one is a TXT file, and they contain the same data in the same structure. The first column, that's your code, and the second column, that's the description of that code. Okay, I'm going to minimize that now, and I'm going to start with DrawSoft Field. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new job, and I'm going to call it collection points. Let me call it that, and I'm going to create that job. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select connect to an instrument and select simulate. What this will allow us to do is it will allow us to view the collection points after we have imported them. Okay, so from here I'm going to select OK. I'm going to select reports, imports, exports, and I'm going to select imports. Okay. So in the import page, you have collection codes from .txt, which is from a text file, and collection codes from CSV. Okay. So you would select the one with the .txt to import a text file, and the one with the CSV to import the CSV file. So I'm going to start by selecting the one that's for the text file, okay, which is the one with the .txt. And then I'm going to select file, navigate to where the collection codes files are saved. Okay, open the collection codes folder, and then select the file with the collection codes. Okay, and then I'm going to select import. So you can see now that it has imported 10 collection codes. Okay, so now I know that, okay, I have 10 collection codes imported. Okay. So in order to import those collection codes, but from a CSV file, I'll select collection codes and the one with the from CSV. So the process is the same. I'll select file, navigate to where the collection folder is saved, the CSV one, select that file. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select override. So what this will do is that the collection code that I had imported before from the text file will be overwritten by the one that I'm importing now from the CSV file. But that is all okay with me because it's all the same data, and I'm just illustrating to you how we would import the CSV file and the text file. So in a practical case, we won't have to import both. You just import one file. It will either be a TXT file, but but a CSV file. So I'm going to select import, and it has imported those files, those collection codes. Okay, and it's 10 collection codes. Okay, now that we have imported them, we're going to view the collection points that we have imported. So to do that, I'm going to select back again, and then I'm going to select survey. So it will, by default, it will require that we do an orientation. So what I'm going to do, okay, so we don't have an orientation here. Okay, so I'll select orientate instrument, I'll select local survey, okay, and I'll just put in the coordinates at random 500, 300, and the height of say 50. Okay, and then I'm going to select measure. So what this will do is it will set the horizontal angle and the vertical angle. So I'm going to select 180, and the horizontal and vertical angle of it 95545. Okay, and I'm going to select OK, and that's the angle, the horizontal angle that will be set on my total station, and the vertical angle. And then I'm going to select use this to fix. So now through the simulator, my total station has been orientated, but that's just in a simulation way. Okay, so now that I want to view the collection codes, I'm going to select collect data, and you can see these are the collection codes that I have imported. TR for tree, FH for fire hydrant, MH is for manhole, side short, center line, top cap, bottom cap. This is for street light, that's for a fence, and that's for a wall. And the other thing you can do is you can manually put in this code. So you can put in the short code. I'm not even sure what I'm going to use now. So let's say this is a code for a covered. Okay, I'm just going to put in C, and the description there will be covered. And I'm going to select OK, and there we go. There is the code. So that's another way that if you have imported the codes, but there's something that's immediate that you need to collect, you don't have to go and have to import it by creating a file first. You can put it in directly into your software. So that in short is how you would import your collection codes in both TXT and CSV file.